In this video I will show you how to connect any Bluetooth headset to PS5. So let's get right into the video. First of all, you need to click on Settings in the top right corner. After that you need to go to Users and Accounts. Now you need to scroll down and then click on Restore Licenses. Now from here, you need to select all the options and after that click on Restore. Now you need to go back and then go to Accessories. And from here go to Bluetooth Accessories. And from here you can see all the Bluetooth accessories that can be connected. Now what you need to do is click on the Bluetooth accessory that you want to connect and then click on Connect. And that's it for this video.